Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Emperor, Tower, Ten of Water. So Scorpios, you are someone who has a lot of experience and you are someone in an important job or an important person in your personal life. People may come to you for your guidance or support because you have a lot of experience and a lot of talents. So they appreciate you for that and they see you as a very confident and successful person. Today, guys, people see you as someone like that. So that may be the reason they come to you for guidance or support. And maybe you are working as an important person with lot of power and authority in your work situation, guys. You may be a team leader or a CEO or a manager, someone in a very good place in your job. And Scorpios, even in this relationship, this person you love, they may see you as someone really talented, skilled and intuitive, and they see you as a very sensitive person, and you may have a beautiful understanding with them. You both love each other and you both have a very good understanding with each other. But today, it may be in your work or in your relationship, there are some circumstances unfolding in your life today, guys. Something you never expected to come, something which you never expected to happen. So things are going in a very unexpected way and you may be surprised by the way it is going. And these changes are interesting at the same way you have that feelings of uncertainty about your future. So what will happen about your future or what is going to come? Maybe you may see some changes in your workplace. You may get a promotion to a different city or a place of work, or maybe in this relationship, maybe this person has something important to tell you. So some kind of news is coming from them. So some drastic changes are happening in this relationship or in your career situation, something taking you by shock and surprise. You don't know how things are going to be in your future. But one thing you can be sure of today, guys, Scorpios, whatever changes that are happening, it is for something good. So something positive is going to happen in your life, guys. You may see some drastic, sad changes today, but whatever it is going to open greater opportunities for success and happiness in your life, guys, Scorpios. You can be sure of that. So we picked one card for your relationship, guys. It is Seven of Earth. So with this card, guys, You are making an important choice today. So you have some confusion, doubts, what to do or what will be your stand in this connection. You have some fear. Maybe if you lose this person, what will happen? So some kind of uncertainty may be there in your future, and you see that you are not sure about this person. You may not have that trust on this person. But whatever it is, guys, fear should not make that decision for you. So whatever you want to decide, Scorpios, you must do it with honesty and do it without fear. So whatever happens when you make that honest choice, you will have help from the universe. So if we are true to our heart, we will never be wrong, Scorpio. So whether you want to be with them or not, you have to make a honest decision today, Scorpios. That is what I see with this card, guys. So for your career, it is 8 of Fire. So with this card, guys, in your work situation, looks like things are falling into place, maybe, and positive changes are happening. You would have faced a lot of trials or obstacles in your past, but today you feel that you are moving, progressing towards your dreams and goals, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have Turquoise. So that is the Crystal Spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So there is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.